Here is how you can copy somebody else's color grading and use your video. I am Margaret, your go-to girl for creator tips, CapCut tutorial, and a peek into my life as a content creator living in Nigeria. Let's say you are scrolling through the FYP and you find a video that you like the editing, you like how sharp the video looks, you like the color and everything, and you would like to recreate this. This is how you can do this. Great. The first thing you need to do is take a screenshot of the video. This video right here, I'm going to take a screenshot of this video for me to use the color grade she used in this video. After taking your screenshots, the next thing is to head over to CapCut. Now I'm on CapCut, I'll click on new projects to upload my video. The video I want to edit, I'll upload it on CapCut as a new project. Now I have my video here. I'm going to click on the video. You see this down bar, these two here, just scroll gently and look for adjust. You click on adjust. Once you are here, under adjust, you can see color match, color correction, brightness, contrast, saturation. These are all color grading tools you can use to color grade your video. But right now, we don't want to do the work ourselves. We want to copy what somebody else have done, right? So I'll click on color match. Then they're asking us if we want to select a color from the video we have here already, or we want to upload a sample. You click on upload. It's going to take you to that screenshot you screenshotted. Click on the screenshot. It will automatically apply the color grade of that screenshot to your video, as you can see in the sidebar. This is what we have. The color grade of the screenshot has been automatically added to my video. Once I'm satisfied with what I have, I'll click on export my video, and upload to whatever social media channel I want to upload it on. That is a simple way you can copy somebody else's color grade and use in your video. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, because on this page I bring you creator tips on a daily basis. Thank you, and see you in my next. Bye bye.